everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a little bit on Discovery 2. We're going to be checking the sunroof leaks. This one's got the headliner out at the moment because it's having the headliner redone. I'm doing that at the moment. So what we're going to do is, while the headliner's out, we're going to have a check of the sunroofs, make sure that they're not leaking. Right, so the handle's back on, the sunroof's tilted open. So what we'll do is, I'll get up there and I'll set the camera up so you can see. Put the water up there. So what we're going to do is just pour it around this area. See if we can get this. There we go, I'll just pour it around this area. So I'm trying to fill that channel. Look inside. No drip so far, but we look down here and it is coming out of that drain hole, so that's working because they run from there down the A-pillar and out at the front of the wing. So we'll get on the other side and we'll try that one side as well, see if that one's working, because obviously we don't want to get another line in and have it ruined by water instantly. Right, so we'll tip some water in this one. Yep. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, and instantly, see it there? We've got water. So this one isn't draining away, it runs along there, along the bottom of that window there, and then it comes out in the back of the rear quarter. So it's obviously blocked up, so we're going to have to try and unblock it. It's not going to be easy, but we'll... Right, so what I've decided to do is get some compressed air. Hose here, just pull it out. To reverse the car, just to get it near enough for the compressed air to reach, and then I'm just going to blow as much as I can. You can't get anything, so I get it as far as you can. Same with that one. Just deep as you can in there. Right, let's pour a bit of water in there and see what happens. So we fill that channel. It's not coming over the top, so therefore that's almost. Oh, and we can hear. Oh, down there. And there we go. Oh, even more coming out, and don't seem to have any drips, so let's try the other side. Oops. Oh, there it goes. So that's opened both of them up, which is good news because now we can put the headliner in without it dripping. I'm just going to get a bit of sealant around that one in this top left, because obviously it was getting through there anyway. So I'm just going to put a bit of sealant around in there just to try and seal it up a little bit more. But yeah, it's not dripping now, but it's just to future proof it a little bit. So we'll do that, and that's how to unblock your drains. Bit of compressed air. Like I say, you can't get it right in there, but you can get it close enough. So I'll just blow everything out of there that you can, and then pour some water down.